fire prevention, have a spray bottle, acid flux paste, potable water solder, no lead, sandcloth, fitting cleaning brush, your torch. Fold your army cloth in half, exact depth of a fitting, 3/4 fitting. Clean your pipe. Make sure it's nice and shiny. Insert, turn one way. Your fitting brush will last way longer. Flux paste inside the fitting. Flux the pipe. Fitting on, seated. Solder in. A little more solder. That's it, that's good. I'll hit the bottom. And there we go, it just took off. It's done. Wipe it with a rag. Alright, well I hope that helped you. Good luck.